everyone, welcome back to the channel. And today we're diving into the latest updates from the stock market and Forex markets as of October 1, 2024. Stick around for a breakdown of today's key trends, and stay tuned for some insights on what might be coming up in tomorrow's trading day. Before we jump into the details, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, so you don't miss out on future updates and market forecasts. Alright, let's kick things off by talking about the stock market. It's been an interesting day, with some big moves across multiple sectors. Stock market overview. The S&P 500 saw some volatility today, mostly driven by tech and healthcare stocks. While Apple continues to ride high on strong iPhone sales, Microsoft experienced a bit of a dip following some news about delays in their AI software updates. The Dow Jones had a bit more stability, ending the day slightly up by 0.3%. Industrials are still holding strong, with Boeing being a standout performer today, jumping nearly 2% on positive earnings projections. Tech stock spotlight. As expected, the tech sector is still leading the charge in market activity. While some investors are pulling back due to fears of higher interest rates from the Fed's upcoming meeting, big tech firms like Tesla and Google remained relatively stable. Keep an eye on Tesla, as their quarterly earnings report is just around the corner, and it could shake things up. Now, let's talk about Forex. The foreign exchange market is always moving fast, and today was no exception. Here are some of the key currency pairs that caught my attention. US dollar to euro. The dollar had a pretty solid day against the euro, rising slightly as investors look ahead to a potential rate hike from the Federal Reserve later this month. The euro took a hit after some disappointing manufacturing data from Germany came in weaker than expected. US dollar to Japanese yen. Meanwhile, the dollar lost a bit of ground against the Japanese yen, dropping 0.2%. With Japan's central bank keeping interest rates steady, traders are betting that the yen could see more strength in the near term, especially if US inflation remains under control. Pound sterling to US dollar. Over in the UK, the pound had a volatile day against the dollar, with Brexit-related news and a shaky economic outlook putting pressure on the British currency. We saw the pound sterling to US dollar pair drop nearly 0.4%, and it could stay under pressure heading into the rest of the week. So, what can we expect going into tomorrow? There are a few key factors I'm watching. Fed interest rate speculation. Investors are still on edge, wondering what the Fed is going to do next. If there's even a hint that a rate hike is coming, we could see more volatility, especially in the tech sector and high-growth stocks. Earnings reports. As I mentioned earlier, Tesla is releasing their quarterly earnings tomorrow, and that's going to be a major event. Positive numbers could boost the stock and the overall sentiment in the electric vehicle space. Forex market trends. On the Forex side, I'm expecting more movement in the US dollar to euro and US dollar to Japanese yen pairs as investors react to central bank statements and economic data from the Eurozone and Japan. If the euro continues to weaken, we might see the dollar push higher in the coming days. That's it for today's stock market and Forex update. As always, remember that markets can shift fast, so keep a close eye on the news and be ready to adjust your strategies accordingly. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. What are you watching in the market right now? And, of course, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our daily market updates. I'll see you all tomorrow with another forecast. Thanks for watching. Keep trading smart, and I'll catch you in the next video.